The first scream cut through the glittering ballroom like shattered glass, freezing champagne flutes mid-air and turning a night of luxury into a moment of pure terror. Under the blazing chandeliers, surrounded by wealth and power, a pregnant woman stumbled backward as the billionaire's mistress lunged at her, hatred written across her perfect face. In that instant, silence swallowed the room, and fate began to turn. Before the story goes any further, if you believe in kindness, second chances, and the power of doing what's right even when the world is watching, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps stories like this reach hearts that need them. The woman everyone was staring at had once been the quiet pride of that very ballroom. She had walked into the billionaire's life years ago with no fortune of her own, only grace, intelligence, and a belief that love could survive ambition. She stood now clutching her pregnant belly, wearing an emerald gown chosen to hide her trembling, her eyes darting from face to face as guests pretended not to see her. The man at the center of it all, her husband, stood stiff and silent, his tailored tuxedo sharp enough to cut, yet useless in shielding her from humiliation. He had built an empire worth billions, but in that moment, he could not build the courage to protect his own family. The mistress, draped in diamonds and confidence, had already claimed the room as hers. She was loud, beautiful, and fearless, certain that money had rewritten every rule. In her mind, the pregnant wife was an inconvenience, a reminder of promises the billionaire wanted to forget. What no one realized was that the woman being pushed to the edge had endured far more than public shame. For months she had sensed the betrayal, felt the distance, and swallowed her pain to protect the child growing inside her. She had told herself that silence was strength, that patience might save her family. That night proved how wrong she was. As the crowd recoiled, security hesitated, unsure whose side power stood on. The chandeliers sparkled above marble floors that had hosted countless celebrations, yet now reflected fear instead of joy. The pregnant woman lost her balance, terror flashing across her face as she shielded her belly. In that fragile second, her life seemed to shrink to the pounding of her heart and the cold realization that she was completely alone in a room full of people. Then everything changed. Outside the private terminal connected to the estate, a $50 million jet had just touched down. Its engines cooled as three men stepped onto the tarmac, their presence calm, controlled, and unmistakably powerful. They were brothers bound not by wealth alone, but by loyalty forged long before money entered their lives. Each wore a tailored suit, not flashy, but commanding. They had not come to attend a party. They had come because their sister had stopped answering her phone. The brothers had grown up protecting one another when they had nothing. Later, success followed them, but family remained their true currency. When word reached them that their pregnant sister had been publicly humiliated by the men she trusted, they did not call lawyers or assistants. They boarded a jet and crossed continents in silence. They knew exactly what kind of room they were walking into, and they were ready to own it. As the ballroom doors opened, a ripple moved through the crowd. Heads turned. Whispers spread. The air itself seemed to shift. The three brothers walked forward with measured steps, eyes fixed on the trembling woman near the table. In that moment, she felt something she had not felt all night: safety. She straightened as much as her body allowed, tears blurring her vision as strength returned to her spine. The billionaire finally reacted, stepping forward too late, suddenly aware that power was no longer on his side. His wealth had built towers, but it had also built walls, and now those walls closed in. The mistress's confidence faltered as she realized this was not a scene money could erase. Guests who once laughed at private jokes now avoided her gaze, sensing consequences arriving in polished shoes. The brothers did not shout. They did not need to. Their presence alone spoke volumes. They gathered around their sister, shielding her, grounding her. In that protective circle, the ballroom's cruelty lost its grip. The pregnant woman's fear softened into quiet resolve. She understood then that love had not abandoned her, it had simply arrived in a different form. What followed was not chaos, but clarity. The truth spread quickly, as truth always does when witnesses are many and pride is exposed. The billionaire's silence became his confession. His empire, built on image and control, cracked under the weight of public disgrace. Business partners distanced themselves. Invitations vanished. Respect dissolved. Meanwhile, the woman he had tried to erase walked out of that ballroom with her brothers, head held high, leaving behind diamonds that suddenly looked cheap. Months later, She would welcome her child surrounded by people who chose her without conditions. She rebuilt her life not with revenge, but with dignity. The pain of that night never fully disappeared, but it transformed into wisdom. She learned that true wealth is not measured in jets or chandeliers, but in who shows up when you are at your weakest. If this story moved you, if it reminded you that justice can arrive quietly and strength often wears the face of love, please take a moment now to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement helps keep these stories alive. Before the ending, leave a comment telling us where you're watching from and what part of the story touched you the most. In the end, the ballroom returned to hosting celebrations, but its walls remembered that night. A night when power bowed to family, when cruelty met consequence, and when a pregnant woman learned that even after being pushed to the edge, she would never fall alone.